Just received a box of free samples from ChocZero, so I can try this out and report on it more accurately. Sugar-free dark chocolate with sea salt, keto bark with peanuts. It's got some good fiber in it. Soy-free, sugar alcohol-free. So it's not sweetened with maltitol, then it's got a different sweetening. Which I believe is monk fruit. Sweetened with monk fruit. Wow, that was really yummy. It's good chocolate. A little less sweet than you would expect from a commercial chocolate from Hershey's. So maybe not as sweet as the Hershey's sugar-free chocolate products, but still a very good product. It's got good peanuts in it, roasted peanuts. And I like the bars. They're a good size for melting down and using in recipes, and that's really what the site's about. So this is definitely a good thing to consider when trying to put together holiday recipes or special event recipes where you want to show that you have a sugar-free lifestyle. Okay, so this is going to be my first melt test. See if this melts like regular chocolate should. So I've got a freshly brewed, piping hot cup of chai tea. You can see it's already starting to melt. I can see little bits of the nuts floating into tea now. Oh, that's creamy. So it definitely softens up and melts in a warm beverage.